Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling auto-download for audio files on WhatsApp when connected to Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. This will open the menu options. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. In the Settings menu, look for the Storage and Data option and tap on it. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Media Auto Download section. Step 6. Within the Media Auto Download section, locate the option that says When Connected on Wi-Fi and tap on it. Step 7. Simply mark the option for audio. Toggle the switch next to Audio to turn on auto downloads for audio files. Step 8. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. That's it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your audio files are automatically downloaded when you're connected on Wi-Fi and WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy seamless audio auto downloads on WhatsApp when connected on Wi-Fi.